We are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and food names in particular that too many people mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. So let's break down the pronunciation. Yes, you've guessed it. This is the phonetic spelling of the word. Waffles. Wa. So you'd have a slight difference between British English and American English. Wa. In British English, waffles. In American English, it's said more as waffles, a more open R sound. Waffles or waffles. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments how do you pronounce it. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.